Going to Trust Wallet. And yes guys, 1000 TRX appeared in the wallet and 10 USDT was deducted for it. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to CryptoCavern channel. In this video I'll show you guys how to generate Flash TRX and save on transaction fees. These tokens can only be used to cover future transactions on Tron network. As you can see, I've got 95 USDT in Trust Wallet, and the rest of the coins are just for commission coverage only. I don't have TRX as I'm using Tron energy in this particular wallet. I have 254,000 of energy on TRC-20 network. It's around 4 transactions of sending USDT. But to generate TRX, you will also need TRX in your wallet to pay for USDT transaction. Otherwise, you can purchase energy on any Tron energy service. I'll leave the link under the video where I purchased my energy. It's way too cheaper to operate with USDT. Firstly, we need to copy the address of USDT wallet, which is the same as TRX. Then go to the website flashtrx.com. This is automated smart contract service of generating TRX. They can be used to cover future commissions. It works pretty simple. We have to connect the wallet, then choose the amount and provide TRX address. Then simply exchange USDT for TRX. For 10 USDT we can get 1000 Flash TRX. So in order to generate, we should choose the amount. I'm picking 1000 TRX for 10 USDT and pasting copied address of USDT in my wallet. Then I click to generate Flash TRX and wallet connection window pops up. Choose Wallet Connect and in a new window I choose Trust Wallet. Go into Wallet app to confirm the connection. After confirming which, I need to go back to browser. And now when I click Generate Flash TRX again, it starts the process. However, we should pay the fee for creation first. So I'm going to Trust Wallet again to pay the commission. Here I check the contract details. Seems everything fine, so I'm confirming it. Once again going to browser and waiting for generation to finish and tokens sent to my wallet. It takes some time, so be patient and do not reload the page. Okay, it seems it finished generating, so let's go check my wallet now. Going to Trust Wallet. And yes guys, 1000 TRX appeared in the wallet and 10 USDT was deducted for it. As you notice, I did not pay any TRX when I was sending 10 USDT, as I used Tron energy from the wallet to send USDT. That's it guys, please feel free to comment on your experience and remember, this video is for educational purpose only. Good luck everyone.